One more thing I'll show you is your pipeline. Here's your pipeline highlighting all the different stages and all the loans inside of each stage. I obviously can filter my pipeline. I can search by loan type, show me all construction loans that are in this particular status, tied to this particular state or property type, right? And maybe closing or maturing, which property or loans I have that are maturing in the future. So I can have an aging report. So all of these filters, and then the columns down below can be customized here, right? So I can choose what columns of data, lien position, project name, ARV, like all kinds of details, right? So once I set my filters, my columns, I can save the view, and then I can go back to that same view with the same search filters and columns and and even do reports off of that. And I would select my closed loan report or my servicing export report or a draw report or the Turok loan tape, right? And it has all the data points that I need, including any custom fields. And that way I can generate a deal sizer or loan tapes or whatever custom report I need, maybe for HMDA reporting, right? So I have all those specific fields for all the HMDA stuff. So very powerful tool to organize all your data and custom pipelines and custom views and custom reports.